Ẹ̀yin èèyàn pẹ̀lú eléyìí ọlọ́mọjò jẹ́ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́mọge ìsìn ló máa lọ fi ẹ̀wọ̀n jóra o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn bá mi share fídíò yìí dáadáa o. Now iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ló jáde wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ní wípé lábẹ́ òfin wípé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni o, crime ni o, pé ó pe bọ̀dá Sunday, ó pe bọ̀dá Lukman, ó pe bọ̀dá Tolúlọpẹ́ wípé send the transport fare sí mi, bá ń send owó mọ́tò mo fẹ́ wá sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀, but at last ó wá lọ bá bọ̀dá Sunday tó send owó mọ́tò sí ẹ. Iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá ní obìnrin tó bá dánrú ẹ̀ wò pé false pretense ni òbí ìgbà téèyàn fi tipátipá àbí téèyàn fi ọgbọ́n àlùmọ̀kọ́rọ́ ìgbowó lọ́wọ́ èèyàn rí pé irú ẹni tó bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ó lòdì lábẹ́ òfin o, ó ṣeé ṣe kó fi ẹ̀wọ̀n jóra o. bọ̀ kó mọ́dà ẹ̀kọ́ bóyá mi ni mò ń dá sọ ẹja gbọ́ nǹkan tí PPR ọlọ́pàá ẹja gbọ́ ohun tó sọ lórí ẹ̀yin obìnrin tẹ́ mọ́ dọ́gbọ́n gbowó lọ́wọ́ ọkùnrin tẹ́ rò pé mo ti jẹ́ lọ wọ́n lò jẹ́ lọ o, ẹja gbọ́ ohun tó sọ ẹ share pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn wa.
Why would you collect transport fare from a man without going to see him? It's an offense. A punishable offense is obtaining money under false pretense. 419. I am here to give you this piece of information because I am your #1 bestie. My name is SP Grace Iringekoko, the Police Public Relations Officer for the Rivers State Police Command. Thank you.
Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa lórí ìkànnì Àràbà tẹlifíṣàn. Ẹ máa wò pé wo tún ni mo tún gbé dé yìí. Ẹ̀yin ẹ wo fọ́nrán tẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Lánàá Very Dark Man gbé fọ́nrán kan wá níbi táwọn ọmọ ọ̀dọ́bìnrin kéékèèké tẹ́ bá wo èjì àwọn ọmọ yẹn bóyá 1920 tó bá ti tó bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ti gang up tí wọ́n ti na ìkan lára àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wọn. Kí dẹ̀ náà ní ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ọmọbìnrin tí wọ́n nà yẹn wọ́n ní ó fẹ́ ex-boyfriend àwọn pé wọ́n wá bára wọn sùn bí wọ́n ṣe gang up nìyẹn wọ́n nà débi tójú ẹ̀ fọ́. Àná ni Very Dark Man ló pariwo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn síta. Wọ́n tún wá ṣe pápánbárì wọ́n já sí òhò wọ́n tẹ gbogbo ojú ara ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe báṣabàṣa. Obìnrin ẹgbẹ́ wọn ní o, ọ̀rẹ́ ní o, wọ́n wá lórí láyà wọ́n post ẹ̀ sórí social media. Ṣẹ́ra wa òbí, we have a lot of work láti ṣe. Lágbára Ọlọ́run ọmọ wa ò ní yàyàkuyà. Níbi táwọn ọmọ yẹn lórí láyà dé wọ́n tún bọ́n ṣe gbégbó lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń wé igbó tí wọ́n ń fa gbó bí wọ́n ṣe na lady yẹn lánàá. Wọ́n kàn tiẹ̀ kí ẹ̀ wípé nǹkan táwọn ń ṣe máa ní implication. Mo máa mú eléyìí wá fẹ́yìn òbí ní o gbogbo wa. Ẹ bá mi share fọ́nrán ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ fá o. Ẹ máa gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu wọn o. Ìtànlọ́rẹ̀ ṣe fọ́n àwọn o tí wọ́n fi gang up tí wọ́n fi nà tí wọ́n tí ìbá sọ Ọlọ́run tó fẹ́ràn lady yẹn wọ́n ṣe báṣabàṣa obìnrin bí ẹgbẹ́ wọn. Fọ́nrán yẹn lélẹ̀ ẹja jọ wò.
Yeah, this is Becky. Who? Becky.
Okay. So what happened on that day?
On that day, we were all lying on alcohol. So I and my friend, which is Becky, I went to my foster's mom's place. I went to apologize because we were having an issue with. I also had an issue with Miracle. I pleaded that she should forgive me and she should come. I want to see her that it's been a while. Which she did. She came. Their laundry guy called her that they are seeing some of their missing clothes, which she called Nancy. And Nancy should come to the house. That they should go to the laundry guy place. Which Nancy said, okay, no problem. Nancy then said she was not at home. She also said she was not at home, but they should go to the house at that meantime. Mind you, we were 4 in number that left, which is Favor, but she's not here. We went to the house. When we got to the house, Favor, Becky and Nancy started having issues. We already had issues, but I kept it to myself because I don't want anything that would result to fight, but I kept it to myself. But that day, due to the alcohol influence, Favor was now also gingering me, like she was eyeing me, you know, go do your she don't do those kind of things. I then stood up. I went to meet Nancy. I said, we see me then carry do ourselves for this house because I did help and wash clothes and the rest. She could not say anything. That time Becky had started beating her already. Before ever the video started, she and Becky already had a fight. I said, what you say, me then carry do ourselves. Then I asked her, why did you tell Fabi, which is the girl that used to do their 2 braces, that I did Kayamata? Were you there? She said no. I said okay, no problem. I slapped her. She then pushed me. That was how the fight started. She said I did kayamata to my exes. I said, I'm a wish of them. She called me. Okay, that's why the last relationship I'm just coming out from.
So,
Yeah, after everything, I went to the kitchen. She's also my witness. I went to the kitchen. I was crying. Fever was like, "Na beat person, na they go cry like that." Gingering power, but like I was so weak because the alcohol was now cleared from my eyes. I was like, if with my normal eyes, I won't do this. I've been avoiding this issue. That's why I've been leaving the house. But
in summary, why did you do it?
I did it because I was high and the peer pressure, and out of anger.
Gentlemen, she didn't do anything.
She did.
Okay. It's okay. Please.